Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is fresh out today from Kevin Fahey, and it's called the 365 Sales System. He's been doing this for 15 years to the tune of millions of dollars. And so he knows what he's talking about when he says what works. And he's set this up to be a passive income, just a increase. Change the course of your business and your life. It's about $17.91 last I looked. And it is, I'll just scroll through a little bit of the stuff here. Exclusive masterclass that can change the course of your life. Here we go. Get off the online marketing roller coaster and get more consistency in your business while generating sales every single day of the week. And here he goes. This is 100% the biggest secret that's responsible for his crazy business growth over the last couple of years. So instead of things come out and then they go away, things continuously get consistency. That's so that the sales continue on. Almost manipulative sales tactics allow you to how to convert customers into or visitors into customers. All around system that enables you to create an automated online business, work 5 hours a week and do the things you enjoy. That's unheard of. And there's more. The whole thing's there. There's some great bonuses here. Here we go. Affiliate marketing done right. I'm just going to scroll through this. You can check this out yourself. Marketing funnels, 10x traffic. Obviously, that's a big deal. Emergency report for marketers. 7-figure book bundle. I think the first one, I remember looking at this earlier. Well, there was one in here that's all about Facebook mastermind group. So you've got people to talk to. So that's everything put together there. And again, the whole thing. All right, where are we down here? Okay, I'm just going to scroll right down to. There's Kevin Fahey, by the way, Irish fella. And oh, they don't even show you. There you go, $17.93. So I'm going to put the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at MarketingSharks.com. You click the product box like this, and you're at this page. You can read all the information that's inside it and watch the demo video and grab it for $17.93. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Go check out the 365 Sales System.